we were talking about why Dubai and Singapore are the best place to register your startup. But out of these two, if you have to choose one, which one would you do? I'll help you narrow down your choices. The first point of difference is the location, the strategic location of Dubai and Singapore. Dubai is in Middle East, Singapore is in Southeast Asia. I have a separate video on which country is strategically better to operate in which area of the Asia. You can check it out. The second point of difference between Dubai and Singapore is the economic focus of these two countries. Singapore has economic focus on oil refining, shipping, international trade, airport hubs, IT, banking, and dealing with other Asian nations like India and China, while Dubai has its major economic reliance only on the oil refining, and the economic focus of Dubai is in the Middle East and the North African region, the MENA region. The next point of difference is the corporate tax. Singapore has a very simple corporate tax structure in which companies has to pay a corporate tax rate of 17%, startups can pay a tax rate as low as 4 to 5%, and the GST stands at 7%. While in Dubai there is no corporate tax rate on companies in the free zone, and in the mainland it is 9%. And Dubai charges 55% tax rate to the oil companies and 20% tax rate from the Islamic banks in the region. Dubai has a VAT of around 10%, and Dubai also has high tax rate on hotel rooms, cars, and business license renewals, which can go as high as $1,500.